心里很好啊。
One day, two couple A, B, and C, D plan to go to Hsinchu County for traveling.
孩子还干你娘
！Eric and I are planning to have a trip to Hsinchu during the 3-day holiday next week. Do you guys know what Hsinchu's features are?
I have been to Hsinchu before. It's known for Hakka culture, unique dishes, and diverse landscapes.
Yeah, and the county's key attractions, Beipu and Guanxi, are also the places you must visit.
Why don't we go to double date? Why don't we go traveling together? Let's have a double date.
Good idea! After a long time discussion, they went to the historic settlements of Beipu and Guanxi, both of which are easily accessible via Provincial Highway Number 3.
Yeah, we are finally in Beipu Hsinchu now. Zhang family ancestral temple and old street are the landmarks here in Beipu.
I'm starving now. Are there any special foods?
Then let's head for Beipu Old Street first. It's once a center of tea production and coal mining. Famous food includes persimmon cakes and taro moon cakes.
Wow, that's amazing! I can't wait to have a bite.
With the impressive experience of Beipu, they also went to Guanxi, which stands out for its Baroque-inspired buildings that reflect the wealth and aesthetic taste of Hakka residents.
In a famous family-run restaurant called Angu Noodles.
The Hakka dry noodles taste so delicious.
It is called Ban Tiao, a staple for farmers during long work days.
This restaurant, Ogu Noodles, has been serving authentic Hakka dishes for over 60 years.
When ABCD finished eating noodles, a strong wind washed over their face. Whoa! What a strong wind!
Are you okay, honey? Stand behind me.
神说，诸水之间要有空气，将水分为上下。
Hsinchu is known as the Wind City because of its strong seasonal winds, intensified by its fan-shaped lake.
This has a great impact on local life. Leafen and dried persimmons are the main dried fruits here. In the end, they were looking for a nature retreat, so they went to Jiangxi Township, the largest district in Hsinchu County.
This is such a quiet place. Inside the Smangdong tribal village, it's well known for the Grand Ritual, the fire hikes through the forest.
The village also offers a snake trail, which offers us a chance to explore the region's diverse plants and animal life.
How do they maintain their environment and sustainability?
The residents adopt a cooperate system that promotes fair income distribution while preserving their cultural values.
I have truly realized the county's features. I'm glad that we have double date together. Let's drive home.
The Zhang family ancestral temple and Gangnam.
Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style.